After you have hit the login button, you will come to this screen, the receipt screen. Here in the first field, name, you're going to give a title for your receipt. This might be something like the category or the name of the store where you purchased things. So in this case, we purchased our items at Walmart, so we're going to enter in Walmart as the name of the receipt. The second bar, you're prompted to take a picture. Click the image icon, and you can choose Photo Library if you already have a copy of the receipt stored, or Devices Camera. In this case, we don't already have a copy of the receipt, so I'm going to choose Device Camera, which will open the camera. I am then going to take a picture of the receipt, making sure that I have the pricing evident. So I'm going to tilt the camera for just a moment. Okay, that receipt came out clear. You can see the pricing, so I'm going to use that version. So I'm going to press the Use button. And now the icon for the camera has been replaced with an image of the receipt that I just took, so you know that has been entered correctly. On the third bar, you can change the date. It will default to today's date, but if you'd like, you can change the date for the date you bought the receipt. So I'm going to press Done because we want to use today's date. Now the last bar you do not update. That will be totaled automatically. So we'll skip that one and click Add Expense. Here's where I will enter the information for the particular products I purchased at Walmart. The first thing I purchased was a fuse. I'll type in fuse on the first line. This fuse cost $5, which I will enter on the second line. For description, I'm just going to put in fuse and category. I'm going to put this in the tools category. So I will scroll down. There are a lot of different categories you can choose from, and I'm going to choose tools. Then I'm going to click the Add button to add this expense. And now you can see my receipt total has updated to $5. But there is something else I purchased on the same receipt I want to add. So I'm going to click Add Expense. And I purchased some oil. So I'm going to put name is oil. Well, let me type it in. And the oil cost $25. And for this description, I will put in motor oil. And in the category, there is actually a separate category for oil and filters. So I'm going to choose the oil category and click the Add button. So you can see on the receipt total line, it has been updated with both the fuse and the oil and totaled $5 and $25. These are the only two items on this receipt, so I don't have any more expenses to add. I want to submit this receipt. So here in the top right hand corner is the orange Submit button, so I will click Submit. And it was added successfully. Then if I have a different receipt, I would start this process again.